prices are up 7% from last year this time, but it is taking a few more days before contract in most areas. It's Friday, December 15th, 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Fewer homes came to the market this past week and fewer contracts were inked. However, sales prices remain strong. 488 homes are coming soon, falling again this week. 1,268 homes hit the market over the past week, fewer than last report. 506 went under contract, 728 moved to pending, 968 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and under contract in 14 days, remaining consistent week over week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Potomac for $4,450,000. There are 2,559 rentals available, priced at $2,400 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 15th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.